careful when you get in the same car, you're showing people through the county road, and yeah, you time accelerating this gear, whichever. Then sometimes you carry a little squirmy or whichever. And then some guys will just let go of the steering wheel or do something and you're like, buddy, what are you doing? Right? So yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm saying that like if women watch this channel. Gentlemen, today we are visiting Dre Tuned. You see my high-tech solution for blurring our license plates? Do we care about license plates being blurred? Okay, cool. It's not like everyone doesn't see the license plate on the Subaru anyways. If you know Dre Tuned, you probably know. Don't mind me just doing some awkward vlogging. Quite interesting car for Barbados here. Corton Miller, very souped up Ariel Adam. ESOP's racing vehicle. The name of this car is the Rebel, right?
Yeah.
Where's that come from?
Knuckles from my girlfriend Jane. She used to call it Knuckles. Then Knuckles is the Rebel, so like yeah, Rebel Knuckles is right or so Rebel.
Like Knuckles, like the video game character?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's behaving too much to be a rebel now. 1,000 horsepower evil engine Colt. Very light door. Apologize, guys. I really don't know how to vlog. We're still learning this. This is a little bit of a trippy perspective, huh? Usually I'm in front of the camera, but we're throwing this guy in front today. So it's going to be a series we're doing on basically different tuners in Barbados.
Everybody has a misconception of what tuning is, right? People think that tuning is just changing spark plugs and oil and making it run, making a given, making it run the best way possible.
Like, bro, my hand is hurting.
We are all friends. We work together, we communicate with each other, like good friends. Trust me, getting you guys to talk together, we have so many different experiences, right?
It's gonna be sketchy tuning a car for somebody who can't drive a fast car. I'm sure that's happened.
Yeah, correct. So you gotta have a level of trust with the person. That's why we all prefer after all the years have passed, we prefer some of us prefer to go on the dyno and tune the cars because we are in a control environment and we control what is being done at that particular time.
Yeah.
Right? So yeah, so I guess we gotta get it together.
Let's take a look at this D-Max here we just wrapped. Apologies for the noise from the fan. Serious machines. Serious amount of tools. This here is a monster. Hey, look, Nate. Look at this. Oh. So we just wrapped the Dre. Shoot went great. Nicolo set his car on fire 2 nights ago. The car is currently getting an alignment. The car is fine. Just a little turbo, the engine bay fire. Nothing crazy. But yeah, we're gonna check in with the Subaru tomorrow. Tomorrow we also have what I think would be an exciting event at Bushy Park Racetrack. Some rally cars testing and doing some sponsor drives and blah blah blah. I'm looking out for an announcement on a Porsche rally car coming. So yeah, stay tuned. RSL Vlog continues.